Hi everyone, and welcome to Wizardry Workshop. Today I'll be showing you how to make pumpkin juice at home. Pumpkin juice can be served hot or cold, but is most often served cold with breakfast. But I think it's delicious anytime. To make my version of pumpkin juice, you'll start with an apple cider mix, or you can use apple juice. You can also use fresh apple cider. If you're starting with a liquid option, you want to start with 2 cups. You'll also need brown sugar, pureed apricot or apricot applesauce, canned pumpkin, cinnamon, ginger, cloves, vanilla extract, 1 cup measuring cup, 1 tablespoon measuring spoon, ½ teaspoon measuring spoon, pitcher or a large measuring cup, glasses for serving, hot water, ice, spoon. We'll start by adding our cider mix to the pitcher. We need 2 packets. Next, we'll add 2 cups hot water and stir. Now we'll add 1 tablespoon brown sugar and stir. Two tablespoons pumpkin, and 2 tablespoons apple apricot, and stir. Now we'll add in our spices. The amount is up to your preference, but you'll start with cinnamon. I'm giving mine a couple good dashes. Then about 1 dash ginger, and a small amount of cloves. A little clove really goes a long way. Now give that a stir. Now we'll add the vanilla and give it a final stir. It's ready for serving, and I'm going the cold route, so I'm going to pour mine over ice. If you want to save some for later, you can bottle it up. Just make sure to refrigerate unless you'll be drinking it soon.